guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure to subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. To all my returning subscribers, hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do another law of attraction video. This is something that is new to my channel, and I do want to continue doing it because I enjoy it, and a lot of you have told me that you guys like it too, so that makes me really excited because it's something that I love to learn about, and I love to share what I learned, and I love to hear your guys' stories too. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 ways to instantly increase your vibration to attract everything and anything that you want into your life. By the way, if you guys missed out on my previous law of attraction videos, I do have 2 of them up. One is a law of attraction tag, and then another one is the 17 seconds rule, 17 seconds to change your life, which I will leave linked down below if you guys are interested. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways that you can instantly make yourself feel better and why it's so important to feel good. So law of attraction is basically like attracts like. So good attracts good and bad attracts bad. Everything has a vibration. We have vibrations. Everything is vibrating at a certain frequency, whether it's a low vibration or a high vibration. Everything from food we eat to the tone of our voice to the words we speak to animals to anything and everything is a vibration. When you're feeling good and happy and excited, then you are in a high vibration. When you're feeling down and sad and low and angry, you're in a low vibration. When you're in a high vibration, you attract more of what you want into your life. When you raise your vibration, you start to see more positive things come into your life and things just start to go your way. When you're vibrating in a low vibration, it can kind of spiral out of control into attracting bad and negative things into your life. And the faster that you can raise your vibration, the faster you can manifest what you want into your life. I understand that sometimes we can get into a funk and sometimes you just can't keep your vibration high at all times. So these are 5 ways that you can raise your vibration and energy level instantly. Number 1 is to keep a gratitude journal. So I have a bunch of these laying around the house. I keep one in my bedroom, one in my office, like I keep one in my purse. Get a notebook that makes you happy, get a notebook that you like, that just catches your attention. And even though it may sound silly, this stuff works like magic. Whenever you feel yourself sinking into a negative state, try this. Pull out your gratitude journal and just write down 10 things that you're grateful for. What this does is it shifts your focus from those negative thoughts that are inside of your mind to focusing on things that you are grateful for, that you already have in your life. Sometimes when I don't feel my best, I do this. I'll grab my gratitude journal and I'll just start to think about and focus on whatever things I have in my life right now that I'm happy for, that I'm grateful for. Almost always my cat is one of them, and I'm thankful that I even have food to eat. I'm thankful that I have a roof over my head. These are things that not everybody in the world has. So for you to have that, you're very blessed. It shifts my focus to whatever my problem is. It doesn't seem so big anymore. It seems like, okay, I can find a way to tackle it because look at all these things that I have in my life already, and I'm so lucky to have these things. You don't even have to do this when you're in a negative state of mind. Do this every single day, either in the morning or night before you go to sleep. Just write down a few things that you're grateful for. You'll start to see your life changing. You'll start to see your life shifting in a positive way. You'll start to see yourself attracting more of the things that you want. And this, I guarantee you, it will happen. Number 2, music. Never underestimate the power of music. Turn on something upbeat, cheerful, or even calming. Music can very powerfully influence your mind, your mood, and your energy. Of course, you have to listen to songs that make you feel good. So everybody has their own taste and preference, which is a beautiful thing. So find the music and songs that make you happy and listen to those. It kind of clears your mind and releases any kind of tension that you might be having. Some of the upbeat music that I love to listen to that just put me in a really positive state of mind is like Bob Marley. I've been on a Cardi B kick lately and I love her music, and her music is always just really upbeat to me. I love listening to flute music. It's really calming and soothing to me. I also love Indian music, Bollywood music. That's always really fun, and reggae music always puts me in a good mood. Number 3, take time out to do what you love. This is one of the best ways you can raise your vibration instantly. Whether it's painting, reading, playing basketball, whatever makes you excited and triggers happiness inside of you, do that. I can't even tell you how much power that's going to have over your life, your mood, and your energy. When you're doing something that you love, you become engulfed in that moment. And in that moment, you feel positive feelings, you feel happiness, you're focused on that thing that you're doing because you love it. And this can build momentum and a ripple effect to attract more of those feelings to you. Remember, the law of attraction is like attracts like. So the universe will have no choice but to bring you more of those feelings that you're in when you're doing something that you love. It has to bring you more of those feelings to match what you're feeling already. Number 4, change your environment. Be aware of your environment. So the place that you spend most of your time in, whether it's in your living room or your bedroom, make sure that when you walk into that place, it instantly triggers happy thoughts and feelings inside of you. Decorate it in the colors and things that you love. This is where you get to be selfish. Make that environment, make that room feel warm and inviting to yourself. What I like to do is light an incense or a candle as soon as I walk into my bedroom. I have one going right now, and it makes me feel good. It makes me feel happy and relaxed and calm. So switch up things in your environment to make you feel good when you look at it or when you walk in. Number 5 is to get moving. So exercise, take a walk, dance, run, do something to get your body moving. Get your blood pumping and get your endorphins flowing. Even the smallest amount of exercise can raise your vibration. And endorphins trigger positive feelings. Sometimes when you're in a bad mood or you're in a funk or you're not feeling your best, even getting up and just moving around is hard to do, but it's so worth it and it will help you so much. Even if it's just to get up and walk to a different location that you're already in, it will help you clear your mind and just get your body moving even for just a little bit. Now, exercising is best. So what I like to do is take a walk. There's parks around my house, there's lakes around my house that I love to just go and take a walk over there, or I like to just go into my backyard. So these are 5 ways that you can raise your vibration instantly. So next time you're feeling like you're not vibrating at your highest, these are ways that you can raise your vibration. And the more you do this, the more you're going to attract things into your life that you want. I do have other law of attraction videos on my channel, which I will link down below. I did a 17-second rule, which is 17 seconds that you can change your life. And I did a law of attraction tag. So if you guys are interested in that, I will link it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe because I have a lot more law of attraction videos coming up for you guys. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.